Hello traders, this is Sean at Zeros, and I just want to do a quick update based on the today's trading plan. Is just a post-market reflection, how did we trade, and what exactly we need to focus on for the next time. But before we dive in, I just want to mention that right now you're getting access to what will eventually be the part of my premium services. Once I officially launch it, the premium version will include a detailed pre-market breakdown, real-time insights, and post-market reflections to help you fine-tune the execution and strategy. If you're finding value in these videos, stay tuned for more details and also drop message on the YouTube video. That's the way I wanted to revive my YouTube channel, as well as I can give you a comment and share you some insight as well. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel as well. So now, if you look at the game plan for today, um, the one of the ideas we have identified um, is the NQ. If is NQ going to exceed over 21,800? So if I show you here, this was a game plan in my pre-market summary which I've sent to everybody that there's an upside 21,800, and I marked those levels here. And when we look at it, NQ, and let me just open the chart for you guys to understand. There's a very beautiful 2 minutes breakout, and this is the way uh, I really like to trade. Um, so if you look at it, this one, and I want to just show you so you can understand. So look at this one, how beautifully there is a 2 minutes bull flag and breakout. And if you have taken this trade either through options of triple Q, either trading futures or the T triple Q, you can really made 80 points. Usually NQ move in 40 to 80 points range. So if it breaks out, minimum first target is the 40 points. So 21,800 and 1516 is a breakout point. So you expect at least a 60 and then the run up to the 1880. So that's the way it is. Very beautiful trade if you have taken it. Uh, Next one, if you look at it, the other trade which was the biggest success trade is the NVIDIA. We were expecting NVIDIA to hold the 130 level, and if you look at it this way here, look at it how beautifully on the 2 minutes, again the same pattern which I love to play here. Look at this one, the 2 minutes breakout above 130 with the volume breakout, and exactly, it didn't touch the 135 in the first few sessions, but it's enough for us to take the profit. We do not need the whole piece of it, but ultimately is high exactly at 135.135 before selling off. So very beautiful trade. And if you look at the Tesla, we asking for the upside for 360. It didn't go upside in the 360. And the next level we have identified that if it couldn't hold 360, then we need to take the trade on the short side from 355 to 350. Look at it, the rejection of 358, come down exactly at 358, made the we saw the 2 minutes bull flag there. Here we have a 2 minutes uh, bear flag, and same pattern, nothing special here. And if you look at it here, uh, look at it with the small, very tiny stop loss, short below 354. And again, I didn't take this trade. I waited for the upside, but if you are the short bias, this exactly worked. I basically took this trade, went long over 360 and then took the 362, but our plan specifically worked really, really well. So again, I want to thank you and for listening and give me the feedback. How do you like it? What else do you wanted to see which can really add value to your trading and you're going to improve? I would love to help you out. Other thing I wanted to say that tomorrow I might not trade. I have to go and do some errands, so I will not be there. I will see you on Wednesday. But feel free to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up on the video, Leave some comments and tell me that whether you like the pre-market plans and the post-market reflection on those. Happy trading. Bye.